Hey, what's up, guys? It's your boy, proud Quadmafia team pilot, Joe Fodolio. Welcome to the channel. Thanks for popping in. Got something exciting today.
Family wanted, I'ma go and get it. I was born to fight, so I'm swinging hard. Stakes high, got the winning card. Aces high, yes, all or nothing. Stand for family and you die for something. Honor, respect, loyalty, or murder. Something that a lot of y'all ain't heard of. I don't wanna murder, so don't beg me in the corner. What I'm doing with my life.
It's here, guys. It's finally here. The Quadmafia 5-inch Omerta T7 edition, Ultimate Basher. As some of you know, we team pilots have been flying the prototype for some time now. Through real world testing, trick after trick and crash after crash, we've created an absolute beast that keeps us coming back for more. Originally T3 carbon, we've now upgraded to T7 carbon for even more fearless flying. Beefy 6mm arms, a squished-X design, a wider overall stance providing stiff aerobatics, a toilet tank option for your lipos, a convenient XT60 cutout in the top plate, and much more. This frame was created by hardcore pilots for hardcore pilots. We thought about the things that you and other pilots want in a basher. No matter your VTX, DJI 03, 04 Pro, walk snail, analog, HD0, you name it, the new frame can house it. And it gives pilots that buttery feel that keeps us coming back for one more pack.
And another one.
Let's go ahead and take a look at the outer packaging, and then we'll cut it open and see what's inside. Right off the bat, I like the cellophane wrap. That's a nice touch. Mikey, Fly Zone FPV, and Sergio, the Quadfather, they came up with a great design for this packaging with the Omerta name right on the front. You've got the QR code on the side that takes you right to the store. Okay guys, it's time to cut the plastic off. Let's see what's in the box. Oh yeah, like Christmas. We put a lot of time and effort into this. All right guys, I've been waiting for this. Let's see what's in here. Oh my God, would you look at that?
Oh, would you look at this?
Okay, but seriously, all jokes aside. Really nice touch. Boom, right on the top you got a nice thank you card from Mikey. Thank you for supporting my business. Very cool. Thank you, Mikey. I like that. Nice touch. The parts are nicely placed inside. Here's a printout of the frame assembly. Show you where all the parts and everything go. I see the screws and standoffs are in a separate bag. That's nice. Tear this open. Oh yeah, that beautiful T7 carbon fiber, baby. Hello, beautiful. It's the package with the standoffs and screws. Nice. 4 arms, that's a good thing. Got your bottom plate, top plate, mid plate. It's all there, guys. We've also decided to include prints with your purchase. We'll have some color choices available. I'm not sure exactly yet. Once it's up on the store, we'll be able to see all that. But we're gonna include skids, of course. The XT60 cutout right here for your battery plug-in. Also the camera mount and antenna mounts for DJI 03 and 04 Pro. If you do have walk snail or a different VTX system, analog, HD0, whatever it is, we will supply the STL files for you guys, so you can print those out in your own color scheme and get them on your quad and get flying. Well guys, I'm gonna put this beautiful work of art together now. Stay tuned for my build video and maiden flight. It'll be coming up real soon. I'm probably going to put this together right now. But thank you guys so much for stopping in. We really appreciate it. Spread the word. It's going to be in the store soon. Quadmafia.com/shop. Get there. Go get yours before we're out. We will order more. Once we get low, we will get more in stock. But get them before that happens. I know of 15, 20 people right off the top of my head that want some. So be on the site often. Be ready to hit buy. It's going to be live soon. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping by. We'll see you later.
I was born to fight, so I'm swinging hard. Stakes high, got the winning card. Aces high, yes, all or nothing. Stand for family and you die for something. Honor, respect, loyalty, or murder. Something that a lot of y'all ain't heard of. I don't wanna murder, so don't beg me in the corner. What I'm doing with my life really don't concern ya. Honor, respect, loyalty, or murder. Something that a lot of y'all ain't heard of. I don't wanna murder, so don't beg me in the corner. What I'm doing with my life really don't but my eyes open. I'ma speak my mind till my eyes closed. Lies totally a fool believes. When the honor's gone, baby, who gon' grieve? R.I.P. to them street codes. They'd rather cash the check than to have respect. You gon' lose your chips with only half a deck. It ain't adding up, you better come correct. I'm standing strong on my foundation. Teaching mine is my obligation. Cut the dead weight operation. These boys are pussy, baby, ovulation. It ain't complicated, don't complicate it. Watch my freedom get confiscated. Abominated, I dominated. Your fuck shit won't be tolerated. Now honor, respect, loyalty or murder. Something that a lot of y'all ain't heard of. I don't wanna murder, so don't beg me in the corner. What I'm doing with my life really don't concern ya. Nah, honor, respect, loyalty or murder. Something that a lot of y'all ain't heard of. I don't wanna murder, so don't beg me in the corner. What I'm doing with my life really don't concern ya. Nah, honor, respect, loyalty or murder. Something that a lot of y'all ain't heard of. I don't wanna murder, so don't beg me in the corner. What I'm doing with my life really don't concern ya. Nah, honor, respect, loyalty or murder. Something that a lot of y'all ain't heard of. I don't wanna murder, so don't bag me in the corner. What I'm doing with my life really don't concern ya.